everybody. Today I'm going to do a dry, I guess it's freeze-dried. No, it's probably not freeze-dried, but dried mashed potato review. I've never done this brand before, and so I am going to try it and see how it tastes. It's called Honest Earth Creamy Mash, and the box comes with eight serving pouches, and that's what the pouch looks like. So I'm just going to make one of those today. I'll give you a quick look at the instructions. Basically, I'm going to do stovetop, so it's 2 and 3 cups of water and then 4 tablespoons of butter. And you boil the water and then take it off and add milk, which I'm going to use powdered milk for, actually powdered cream, and then mix it together, and it should come together within a few seconds. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, with my usual eyeballing method, I have about 2 and probably 2.5 cups of water here, and we'll put this on to boil and come back and take a look and see how we're doing. All right, the water is boiling, so I'm going to remove it from the heat and then mix all the ingredients. I have close to 4 tablespoons of ghee in my bowl, which is what I'm going to mix everything in. And I am using my Hoosier Hill Farm cream powder, and I'm going to put 6 tablespoons, which will equal a cup. So into these dry-ish ingredients, I am going to pour the water. It does call for cold milk, so obviously that's a little bit less liquid than is called for. And I'm going to do this, mix it, and then I will mix in the potatoes. Most likely I will add some salt to this because the ghee is not salted, and I don't know how much is in the actual potatoes. So once I mix in the potatoes, we will see how salty it is. And it says to stir while adding the potatoes, so we'll do that to get them mixed in. I have a feeling I probably have too much liquid, but we'll see how it goes. It is firming up pretty quickly, so I like that. All right, I think this is not going to be bad. You get to see my first tries at all of these types of dishes. Oh man, that's actually working out really, really good. It says to get them wet and then wait about 10 seconds. And look at that. I mean, come on. Those are looking pretty good. All right, let's go in for the taste test while we're at it. Very hot. They taste so good. I will add some salt to them. All right, let's put a little bit of salt in, and then I'll mix that in. Right now, on first impressions, I give this an easy 10 out of 10 in terms of ease of putting them together and real potato flavor. And I don't know if you can see that really well, but this stands up and actually feels much, much, much like a natural whipped potato, not a dried product. I will say this is a 10 out of 10. And to give you a quick view of where I am in the Westville Recreation Center near Sturbridge, Massachusetts. And it is gorgeous here.